In my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. Morning, afternoon, or night, whenever you guys see this. It's a beautiful day today. Well, today I'm gonna install a cabin filter in a 2007 Toyota Avalon Limited. As you guys can see, I have it right here. I had basically ordered it online from Walmart. This one is the CF. I just wake up, sorry about that. CF 10285. They got my Toyota Avalon right here. And the cabin filter basically is what clean all the dust, the pollen, different stuff. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so here, as you can see, do I have my flash on? No, it's just a glare. Okay, say Fram Fresh Breeze Cabin Air Filter can filter 98% of these contaminants from air passing through the filter to improve your driving comfort. Road dust, pollen particles ranging in size from 5 to 100 microbes. Anyways, I don't want to hold you guys up. I don't want this video to be I want this video to be a demonstration in how to. So I just want to just show you guys what all that nasty stuff. You don't want to be inhaling all that. So this one usually goes, this one have that Arm & Hammer with baking soda. It usually tell you, it tell me somewhere on here that it go for like 15, change every 15,000 miles. Or here it is. Bam. It said change every 15,000 miles or by owner's manual recommendation. For proper installation, see enclosed instruction. Alright guys, so basically it's located down here. And at this side right here, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver to take that out, because it's basically underneath the glove box. I'm gonna get a screwdriver because I don't even have that with me at the moment, guys. Hold on. Alright guys, I'm back. You know it's gonna be difficult for me to hold the camera and show, but I just want to give you guys a perfect demonstration. So I got my Phillips screwdriver right here. Please do not lose this screw, because if you do, you're gonna have some problems. Don't lose it. So pop open the drop everything right there. You pull this and let that go up. Now this is what you do. I'll show you guys. Alright, hopefully, let me turn on my light, let you guys see. Alright, so basically right here, you see right there, you just pull this down here, it's gonna drop. I should have taken all my stuff out. Hold on guys. You can see it back there. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a minute. Alright guys, as you can see, my cabin filter is here. Oh my gosh, it's kind of hard to, oh, I got it. Hard to do with one hand, really. It said to pull up. It's actually back there, guys. I'm trying to get, I don't want to break it. I got it pulled out like this, but I don't want to break the other side. I think I gotta clip that in. There we go. So you basically push that in, push this part in, push this part in, and just pull it, and it'll pull out. Alright, so here's the old one. You just pull it out like this. Bam. And look how dirty it is, guys. You see that? So this was blocking all the dust, the dirt, the debris, the pollen, all that nasty stuff. Look how nasty it is. So yes, real dirty, guys. Real dirty, real nasty. You know, it's hot, real dusty. I've been running my AC a lot, so this has been blocking majority of the pollen, the dust, especially if you have allergies. No, it's not all vehicles have it. It's really not. Let me pull out the new one. Show you guys how the new one looks. Alright, so this is the new one. And you're basically just gonna stick it in the same way. You can see right here. Let me turn off the light for right now. Okay. You could just match it up like the old one. See CF10 285 TLC 2120. This one was 18. The date is different because I think it was last year I actually changed this one. So, but yeah, guys, you just match it up and just push it in the same way. Give me a minute, I can't open it with one hand. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna install it. It's real easy and simple. You just push it in like it's a cartridge. Just like that, perfectly. I got a clean, a new, a new air filter, cabin air filter that is. And this is easy to install too. Bam. Just like that. See how easy that was? Now, I don't even know where this came from. Wow. I really don't know where that came from. So, let me kind of clean that. Take that other piece out. I can't even get it. Okay, so bam. That's done. All I have to do now is basically put this part up. Just put it up. It's gonna hold. And this is the kind of tricky part right here. You gotta just pull. You gotta pull that part down. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. All right. I don't know where the other piece went. It went actually up somewhere up in there. So it's still not a big of a deal. I thought it was. I thought it would be. But it's actually not. So I'm gonna put it back up. Because if you put it back up, it's gonna stay. Because right here actually hold it. And I could actually close it and everything will be back to normal. I guess they knew that could happen. So they make sure they have a backup that right here can actually hold it without the screw. Unbelievable. I can't believe I lost it. It actually went up. Actually went in the back. It went somewhere. Yeah, it went somewhere, guys. Yeah, it went somewhere somewhere back here. And I'm not gonna waste my time try to take this whole thing out to just to find the part to pull down. I can't believe it went up. Unbelievable. But yeah, guys, that's how basically it is to install the cabin air filter. If that happens to you, like for the same model car, you don't have no problem, because the other place is just to prevent if you just really want to take it down and something actually holding it up. But it got two parts to hold it up, right here and on the other side. So I don't have no problem. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess now at the end I could really read out to you guys and explain to you. Let me take off the light. Yeah, so I just gotta make sure I hold that screw in case I get in contact with the thing. All right, so yeah, as I said, it said the Fresh Breeze cabin air filter can filter 98% of the contaminants from the air passing through the filter to improve your driving comfort. Road dust and pollen particles ranging in size from 5 to 100 microbes change every 15,000 miles or by owner's manual. So as I said, it have the dust, the pollen here. Every time when you turn on your AC or turn on your fan, you're not going to be inhaling no bad stuff that's basically bad for our health. Not supposed to be inhaling no pollen or dust like that, especially in our vehicle. This one have the Arm & Hammer in there, so it keep it clean, keep it fresh. Especially when you turn on your AC, you're not going to be smelling. If you have certain bad smell as well sometime in your car, it could be because your cabin air filter needs to change. It don't necessarily happen all the time, but you could check. All vehicles is not the same, and it's not all vehicles that have a cabin air filter. Just want to let you guys know that. Yeah, so this is the Fram absorb odor with fresh breeze, cabin air filter with bacon Arm & Hammer, baking soda. This is for the Toyota Avalon CF10285. I basically bought it off online at walmart.com. It came in 2 days. This one have the 2-day shipping. I bought it on Friday. I got it on Sunday. Fast, easy, and simple. I appreciate the love and the support. Okay guys, I basically found it. What basically happened, let me screw it in and tell you guys. So this is how you replace it. Okay, so now that's it. Basically close it, open it. It's gonna come down slower. It's not gonna drop fast. So what happened was, it came out, the clip came off, and where I found it, it dropped down underneath here. So I just pull this piece off at the bottom, and I pull it out, and I just reinstall it back where it came from. It's a clip. I know you guys can't really see it. Let me put on my light. Yeah, you guys can't really see it, but it's easy and simple to there we go. This it right here is a clip. I clipped it on, and I just put it back where I got it and screw it back up. So easy and simple fix. That's how you basically do it, guys. Okay, so now I made it to the end. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support. I still have all my my owner's manual. This one actually came with a CD too. So that's that. Just a plain screwdriver to pop it open, bring it down, install the new air filter, take out the old one. You're good to go. Well, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support. Peace out. Bye bye. It's a beautiful day.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money.